Uh-oh, take a look. Warren Buffett has repositioned his portfolio amid a bull market. What is he doing? What are his best picks now? We're going to talk about that and actually look at the charts to see if it's actually accurate. Now, I must admit, none of us knows his plan. We don't know when he bought these stocks. We don't know when he's going to sell them. So again, take this article with a grain of salt and do what's best for your own specific situation. All right. Now, the article from investing.com. Buffett repossesses portfolio amid bull market. What are his best picks now? Because obviously, this man is a great investor. So whatever he does, we need to do it, right? Let's see what he has done then. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, disclosed in his holdings for the fourth quarter 2023 in his 13F filings, revealing a cautious approach to stock purchases during a period when stock prices surged. The filings showed no new additions to Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio of publicly traded stocks. However, the legendary investor increased its stakes in Chevron, Occidental Petroleum, and Sirius XM Holdings, while reducing its holding in HP, Paramount Global, and Apple. Although Apple continues to be his largest investment by a significant margin, that's his biggest bag. All right, so majority of the stocks within his portfolio at Berkshire Hathaway is in Apple. So he still has high confidence that Apple is not finished with going up. Moreover, he sold out of his investments in D.R. Horton, Globe Life, and Markle, and Stone & Co. So those stocks, he's no longer in them. The play is dead. He sold out. Now imagine if you're still holding on to them stocks because previously you saw that he reconfigured his portfolio. He added it 2 quarters ago, just for an example. And now you found out that this man sold it. But the whole time the stock's been going down, right? Now just think about that. So now, look at all these stocks. Look at all the maneuvers he's done over the last quarter of 2023. Should you do exactly the same thing that he did? In my opinion, no. You need to do exactly what's good for you. Because understand, did Warren call you up on the phone? Did he send you an email? Did he send you a chat, a tweet, asking for your opinion as to whether or not you should add to Chevron, Sirius XM? Should you sell out of your D.R. Horton stock, Globe Life, Markle, Stone & Co? Like, did he call you up and say, look, what do you think? What should we do? No, he didn't do that. So why would you come in and try to get advice from him in your own specific particular situation? Now, we can utilize this information, don't get me wrong, to see what could we possibly glean from the things that he's doing. But it does mean that it's all a go. Sometimes you just need to look at what everyone else is doing. And if you don't see that it's a good fit for your situation, you step back. Let them run into the fire. And you see the results. Okay? Now, high confidence in Apple, no doubt. But he increased his holdings. If you guys go to this website right here, it is Datarama, all right? It lists all of the hedge funds, all of the prominent investors who has billions of dollars, millions of dollars of assets under management, and it records what they do on 13Fs. So we're looking at Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, and this is the holdings. Okay, this is the stock that it holds right here. These are all the holdings that's currently in the portfolio of Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. He has a total of 41 stocks. as of the fourth quarter. This is the activity that he went through over the last 4 quarters, right here. So just like the article read, he sold out of D.R. Horton, Markle, Stone & Co., and Globe Life. He no longer holds these positions. He sold a little bit of Apple, 10 million shares, Paramount Global, HPQ, those 3 stocks, but he added, so he still believes in oil because he added into Chevron and Occidental Petroleum. He added. Then he also added into Sirius XM Holdings. Why would he do that? Like, have you seen the price action in Sirius? Is he trying to get like a tax reduction or not trying to pay too much in taxes, so he had to put the money somewhere and he decided to hold it within Sirius XM? He holds 30.5 million shares. Is he trying to own this business, this communications podcast business, because he sees where the market is trying to go in terms of communication? So now here's Sirius. We all can see it. What is the trend in the market right now? So zooming in, he bought that stock within the last quarter of 2023. So that would be October, November, and then December. So within this time frame is when Berkshire Hathaway purchased Sirius. Okay. One of these days, he went ahead and accumulated 30.5 million shares of this company. Okay. So depending on when he bought, whether it's at $5.70, he's under a little bit, or if he bought it at the low of October the 27th, $4.14, he's up a little bit. But again, what should you do? What does your situation look like? Is this a play that you want to participate in? Does it look like it's going to continue to go up in price? The short answer is yes, until we see the market do this, break straight through that trend line. And it looked like it's about to test it now. I'm just saying, according to the market, to where that's where I pay attention. I just don't pay attention to one man or one hedge fund. I look at everything. I got to consider who is more determined to move this price. He may not be that determined to move the price in Sirius XM. Like I said, he might just be a passive investor, slowly accumulating more shares. He may be a long-term holder, i.e. a year. I'm not saying 15 years. So we don't know his plan. That's what I'm trying to get you all to see and understand. We don't know his specific plan. I don't know yours. So in this walk, you have to do what's best for you. Because looking at the chart, it doesn't look bullish right now. That's on the weekly. Here it is on the 2 weeks. It doesn't look bullish. So hopefully Warren knows what he's doing, because apparently he likes to own businesses. And how does he do it? He buys out the shares, which is a great idea. Ownership is a great business. And he decided the best way to do that is by buying up shares to become the majority stake by businesses. So maybe that's his plan. See, you may be thinking of, okay, he must be thinking that the price is going to go up in Sirius XM. No, his plan might be to own Sirius XM, so he could care less about where the price is. He wants to be a majority stake owner. That might be his plan. So just think about, okay, when these articles do come out and reveal to us what these massive investors have been doing, you don't know their plan though. So it's good that they do let us know, okay, this is what they've done. over the last quarter. So we can kind of direct our attention to see, all right, cool, let me see what's going on over here, because apparently they see something. So like I said, he went ahead and increased his stake in Oxy. Price is going down. I even did the price prediction in Oxy, and look at the market. It's not really moving though. He increased his stake in Chevron. Zooming out, look at this. Why would he increase his stake when the market in Chevron is up there around $155? When the market is literally almost at all-time highs? Why is he increasing his stake now? Is he expecting the market to continue to go up in Chevron? You tell me. You can see though that the basis of buying is really occurring right around here. This is where the buyers, maybe he did it. Maybe he bought this because the market did not fall below 140. Maybe he bought his Chevron stock there. Just saying. So we could kind of opinionate, hypothesize, okay, what's really been going on, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Just want to talk to you all that he went ahead and increased or added to his Sirius XM holdings. But give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.